Welcome to Classy Fashion Ideas. Hello friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. As far as we are concerned with this video, then I am here with you along with a very stylish, very unique 3D impact of hand embroidery designs. These hand embroidery designs are almost of different types of vegetable hand embroidery designs, and they are totally inspired by vegetable designs, and you can use these patterns for your table mats, table covers, various covers of your kitchen accessories, just like garlic design is very 3D mesmerizing, red chili, and you can as well use these designs for baby dress designing. They look very eye-catching. And these carrot design are all over designs in multiple fabric colors. A carrot with some flower leaves and bunches looks extremely beautiful. Similarly, some other vegetables, brinjal, that is very eye-catching with bluish, purplish and green leaves. So kindly do try these designs. This entire embroidery collection that is inspired by vegetable designs is for them who are lovers of unique, mesmerizing and 3D eye-catching designs of hand embroidery. Friends, if you like the video, then kindly do press the like button and please share these design ideas with your friends and family. Don't forget to like, subscribe our channel, because on our channel you can watch an entire very beautiful, eye-catching and mesmerizing range of hand embroidery designs. So allow me, take care. We will soon be back with you along with a very stylish and very beautiful, some more new and eye-catching design patterns of hand embroidery and much more related to women fashion.